Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you were planning a gaming night on your PlayStation this past Tuesday, you might have run into a bit of a roadblock. That's right, the PlayStation network experienced a significant outage across the United States, leaving millions of gamers staring at error screens instead of their favorite virtual worlds. So, what exactly happened? Well, on Tuesday evening, reports started flooding into services like Downdetector, which tracks these kinds of service interruptions. It started small, with just a handful of reports around 9 p.m. Eastern Time, but within an hour, that number skyrocketed to nearly 12,000. It was a massive, sudden disruption that caught everyone by surprise. Looking at the outage map from Downdetector, it was clear this wasn't just a localized issue. While there was a heavy concentration of reports coming from major cities in the Northeast like New York, Boston, and D.C., the problem was nationwide. We saw gamers from Chicago and Detroit, all the way down to Tampa, Dallas, and Houston, and across to the West Coast in Los Angeles, San Francisco, and Seattle, all reporting problems. It seems like almost no corner of the country was spared. PlayStation's own network status page quickly acknowledged the problem. They confirmed that some services are experiencing issues, specifically affecting gaming and social features. This meant many of you might have had trouble launching games using apps now. Why is this such a big deal? As of last year, Sony reported having 123 million monthly active users on the PlayStation network. That is a colossal number of people who rely on these services to be stable. In the highly competitive world of video games, any downtime, even for a few hours, can be a major headache for a company and a huge frustration for its loyal user base. The good news is that the issue seems to have been resolved relatively quickly. After peaking around 10 p.m. ET, the number of outage reports began to fall steadily throughout the night. By the early hours of Wednesday morning, the reports had dropped back down to near normal levels, indicating that the engineers at Sony had managed to get things back under control. It was definitely a stressful few hours for the gaming community. Were you affected by the outage? What were you trying to play? Let me know down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching. If you found this update helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more gaming news. See you in the next one.